Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, I'm also going to share a small and short miracle story of istighfar. I am a kind of person who doesn't like talking a lot with neighbors, but I always try to be nice and kind to everyone. My house is small and old and ugly. One of my next door neighbors often talk about it with others. I saw them with my own eyes several times, and this hurt me a lot. This Ramzan, I want to have bigger heart to them, who look down on me because of my ugly house. I prayed and said istighfar. I kept saying Astaghfirullah, Subhanallah. I was surprised when I saw them last night. My neighbor and her daughter prayed Taraweeh with me, next to me. I talked them and they followed me. I could put a smile to them easily, alhamdulillah. Now I am praying to Allah to give me rizq or money for renovating my house. Since here there is heavy rain almost every day, I am afraid my old roof would collapse. It happened to some houses in my town. I didn't sleep last night just because of heavy rain. So I shifted myself to my sister's house on 3 a.m. during heavy rain. But alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, my old ugly house is still standing and the roof is still standing. So this is the miracle story of istighfar. When we start doing it, people who does not like us, people talked about us, they stop talking about us and they become friend of us. So if you have any issue, just start reciting astaghfirullah and pray to Allah. Allah will help. Inshallah ta'ala, all the things will be fine in our life. May Allah bless all of us. May Allah accept our prayer and may Allah give us strength to keep saying astaghfirullah, to keep reciting istighfar. Ameen. Jazakallahu khaira.